if someone confesses to a murder but there is no dead body, then will that person be convicted or not? The answer to this question lies in the principle of corpus delicti. See, corpus delicti is a very important topic. It comes under the identification chapter of your forensic medicine undergraduate syllabus. It has been asked many times in the theory exam. It is a viva question also, and it is an important answer or important question for your MD forensic examinations also. So today we are going to understand this concept of corpus delicti. Now before we move into the details of corpus delicti, let us first understand that what does it take for the legal system to punish somebody. Now the judicial system, the legal system wants to punish a particular person XYZ. What do we need for that punishment? There are two things which should be proved before punishing somebody. The first thing that is that a crime has occurred, a crime has taken place. If there is no crime, there is no punishment, there is no criminal. Then second thing is that the person who is to be punished, it has to be proved that that particular person has committed the crime. Now let's repeat this. For us to punish somebody, by us I mean, us means the legal system, the judicial system. For the judicial system to punish somebody, two things are required. First thing is a crime has occurred. Second thing is that there should be proof that the particular person who is to be punished, he has committed the crime. Two things, crime हुआ है और जो पर्सन जिसको अपन पनिश करना चाह रहे हैं उसी ने वो क्राइम किया है, that should be proved. Now jumping back to the concept of corpus delicti, see, the word corpus delicti comes from Latin word, like most of the legal maxims. Corpus delicti is also a legal maxim that derives its name from the language of Latin, and in Latin the word corpus means body, delicti means crime or offense. So naturally corpus delicti means corpus body, delicti offense means body of offense or body of the crime. Now when I say body of the crime, it might sound confusing to some people. Some people think that this is actual body, and whereas it is not actual body, it is the figurative body. Now what do I mean by figurative body? Let us understand this. Let's say that I have lost my this thing, pen cap. I go to the police, I say that I have lost my pen cap. I have doubt on this particular person named Kiran who has stolen my pen cap. Now for the police to punish this Kiran, or for the judicial system to punish this person called as Kiran, two things are required. First thing is that a crime has occurred, which means the crime is me losing my pen cap, and it is not just I have just kept it somewhere and lost. No, it has been stolen. So a crime has taken place. That crime is theft. Second thing is the legal system should prove that this particular person Kiran has taken my this thing, pen cap. So maybe the pen cap can be confiscated from his property, or he is found with the pen cap. So that proves that he intentionally has robbed my or has stolen my pen cap. Then the legal system can punish this particular person called as Kiran. So here what is the body of the crime? What is the essence of crime? Here the essence of crime becomes my pen cap. So in cases of robbery, the essence of crime, the body of crime, the corpus delicti becomes the article which is stolen. Similarly, in homicide cases, what will be the essence of crime? In homicide cases, the essence of crime, the body of crime is actual body of the person who is murdered or who has been killed. So for example, a person A kills person B. Then for us by us I mean the legal system. For the legal system to prove that A has killed B, the corpus delicti or the body of crime becomes the dead body of B. And it's not just the plain dead body, it is the evidence on the dead body of B. To speak in further exact sentences, these are the evidences on the body of B. What? It could be stab injuries, it could be gunshot injuries, whatever are the medical evidences, the legal evidences found on the dead body of B. First thing, that B is died. Second thing, that B died due to actions of A. Then we can punish A. So the corpus delicti here becomes the dead body of B. Now, I'll again break this down. In cases of robbery, the corpus delicti is the article which is stolen. If I lose this pen cap, then the pen cap is, let's say, found in my friend's apartment, then it will prove that my friend has stolen this pen cap. So the corpus delicti in this particular case is the stolen pen cap. Whereas if a person kills another person, then for this crime of murder, the corpus delicti becomes the actual body. Now, this is where it gets confusing. What many people think corpus delicti is the dead body. So they say corpus delicti is dead body. I will give you another example. Let's say that I hit a person, I punch a person, then the person who I have punched, he suffers an injury over here. Then in such a case, what is the corpus delicti? Is it the whole body of the person who I have punched, or is it the dead body of the person who I have punched? No, it is the exact injury that becomes the corpus delicti. Now, we'll now come to the last part. Suppose if I punch a person on CCTV, then what is the corpus delicti? The corpus delicti is not only the injury on a person which the by the injury certificate, but if there is CCTV recording also of me punching the person, then even the CCTV recording also becomes the corpus delicti. So now you understand that corpus delicti is not just a physical body, it is a figurative body of the crime. Whatever proves the crime, whatever is the essence of crime, whatever is there which proves the crime, that is the corpus delicti. Now, when this maxim of corpus delicti was made, see this, all these old laws were made 200, 300, 400 years back. When this maxim of corpus delicti was made, there was an argument in the court by lawyers which used to say no body, no crime, which means that if a person kills another person and he destroys the dead body of the person who he has killed, now there is no dead body. So can that person be punished? The argument given by the lawyer will be no body, no crime. The body is not found, therefore there is no crime. Now this used to happen a lot until there were few significant cases where the court, even there was no dead body found, they still gave punishment. Now one such case is the case of a person called as, the exact case is Donald Scott. Now in the year is 1983. Now this guy Donald Scott, he murdered his wife and he destroyed the body. Now there was no body of his wife, but still the court has given him the punishment of murder. Now here, what was the corpus delicti? The body is not there, body has been destroyed, so what becomes the body of the crime? In such case, the police has made corpus delicti. They went into the home of this person Donald Scott. They found some blood stains, they found various articles of foul play. Here in this particular case, the corpus delicti became the blood stains and the various articles of foul play became the body of the crime. So in the absence of an actual body, these forensic evidences like your DNA stains, your blood stains, your stains on the weapon or the weapon itself, or any CCTV recording, these can also serve as corpus delicti. So this was the first case and one of the path changing case in 1983, where in California this guy Donald Scott, he was given the punishment of murder even without the finding of body of his wife. Similarly, in India also there was a case in 1991. I'll be showcasing the web page on the screen right now. Here you can see that Supreme Court has told that corpus delicti is not a necessity to establish a murder as long as death of the individual can be proven by other means. So because every time if we say that no body no crime, so this gives a encouragement to the murderers that they somehow kill the other person, somehow destroy the body, and so body cannot be found, so that they cannot be convicted. But so to overcome that, what now the courts have started in the last 50-100 years is that now they have started that corpus delicti can also be your minute forensic evidence. This is where forensic medicine and forensic science play an important role, that even minute forensic evidence can be served as corpus delicti. Circumstantial evidence can also be served as corpus delicti if the actual body is absent. So again revising what medical students think that corpus delicti actually means the entire body. Yes, in simple cases it means the entire body, but not always. Again I will revise. In cases of robbery, the corpus delicti becomes the article which is stolen. In cases of arson means destroying property. See if a person goes and burns a building, he burns the entire building, then this is a case of arson means destroying your property. Then what is the corpus delicti? The building which is burned, and anything that proves that this particular person has burned the building, that becomes your corpus delicti. So in robbery, corpus delicti is the article stolen. In arson, the building whichever or the object whatever is arsoned, that becomes the corpus delicti. In cases of homicide, the actual body becomes the corpus delicti, but if the actual body is not there, the actual body cannot be recovered, minute forensic evidence, minute medico legal evidence, or even circumstantial evidence or CCTV recording, they can serve as corpus delicti. Now the medical students, especially the undergraduate students who are listening to this video, they will ask me that or they will think in their head that why is this confusing legal maxim being taught in MBBS? Why I as a doctor need to understand this complicated maxim of corpus delicti? See, it is because of the fact that many times doctors are doing postmortems and they are dealing with dead bodies. So remember that you are not just dealing with dead body, you are also dealing with the corpus delicti, the essence of crime. That is why learning about corpus delicti is important. Suppose if a case comes to your hospital mortuary and that case is of a homicide, the body of homicide comes to your mortuary, and you are doing postmortem or you are posted on that particular day, that is not just a dead body, that body is also the corpus delicti, means the essence of the crime. It means that it is the foundation on which the punishment is going to be served. That is why the doctor should take care while handling such a dead body. So that was my take on this concept of corpus delicti. Now just before going again, I'll repeat these golden words that corpus delicti does not mean the literal body. Corpus delicti means the figurative body of crime. Many times, yes, it is the dead body, but when dead body is not found, corpus delicti becomes whatever is the essence of crime. So medical students, even sometimes I've seen even teachers, they think that corpus delicti is just the dead body, just the dead body. It's not like that. It's a far more complicated and far more broader term to prove a crime. So if you have any other topics also which you want me to cover, you can tell in the comment section. You can write down in the comment section and you can tell me that we want explanation on this topic, and I'll make sure that I make a video on that topic. I have got two YouTube channels. First is Pursuit of Medicine, where I make generalized medical content of all the subjects. The other is specific to forensic medicine, it's Concepts of Forensic, and I also have an Instagram channel called Concepts of Forensic. You can follow me on Instagram as well. So this was me, Azim Memdani, discussing about Corpus Delicti signing off. Like, share, and subscribe my video. Happy studying.